Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere. He's everyone's favourite adventure bear.
G'day Humphrey, welcome to Outback Woolshed. I'd like to introduce myself. My name's Greg, I'm one of the stockmen here today. And you're going to come along and give me a hand. We're going to shear some sheep, we're going to muster some sheep in, but first of all, I want to introduce you to a good mate of mine that's going to help us muster some sheep today, and that's Jake, my short-haired border collie. First of all, give him a whistle. Here Jake, come here mate. Come here, Jake. Now Humphrey, this is Jake. Jake, sit, shake a hand mate. Now Humphrey, Jake here, he's a working dog, and what you're going to see him do is not a series of tricks. It's a day in the life of a working dog. You're going to hear me use a few commands. One of them maybe, come behind. They'll get Jake to return to me once the job he's been sent to do is completed. Another one is push up. We'll get Jake to push the sheep along a little bit harder and a little bit faster. But then one of the most important commands, and the one that's going to get a muster started here today, is get over mate. And then we'll get him to go around the sheep, bring him back to me. Okay, Humphrey, let's muster these sheep in, mate, and get them ready for shearing. Jake, get over, mate. Get over, mate. Push them up. Come behind. Steady, mate. Steady. Here, Jake. Come behind, mate. Get up there. Get up there. Come behind. Push him up. Push him up. Push him up. Here, get right up. Right up there, right up. Right up. Get right up. Right up. Oh, Humphrey, if you want to give me a hand, mate, pull the old machine on into gear for me. That's it, mate. Now in Australia, a shearer can shear all round if he wants to, Humphrey. Now, we do work all year round, and we do work in all types of seasonal conditions, from temperatures in excess of 40 degrees Celsius, or right down to those sub-zero temperatures of the mountain winters way down south. Now, shearers are paid for the amount of sheep they do shear. Now, Humphrey, I'm just going to turn the sheep around, mate. It's what we call the long blow. I can have a bit of a breather. Now, these sheep, when we do shear them, it doesn't hurt them at all. It actually helps the sheep out because we do have to shear them once a year, and their wool grows back in 12 months' time, and then we can shear them again. As you can see, the sheep is not struggling on me, Humphrey. It's quite nice and comfortable. It's not hurting at all. Well, Humphrey, I'm near finished the sheep down the last side, so I think I'll get you in and give you so you have a turn. All right, mate, come and stand in here, Humphrey. That's it. Put your hand there for me. Okay. All right, follow the sheep now, that's it. You're a natural, mate. Now this sheep, Humphrey, when it is finished, will cut about 4 to 5 kilos of wool. Now once that wool's off the sheep, it'll be pressed up in a bale and sent to market where it'll be made into a variety of garments, just like the ones you and myself and many of the children today are still wearing. Now Humphrey, it's very important we do shear these sheep once a year because it removes their wool, they can send it off to market and helps to keep them cool in the summer. Yep, so we'll get in and finish this one. Well, Humphrey, there we are, mate. She's all finished. As you can see, she's ready to grow some more wool for another year. Well, Humphrey, thank you very much for your help today. And enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
Humphrey, Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere.